Have you ever felt like your old cutting board is constantly sliding around, staining, or just doesn't seem to hold up over time? I've been looking for a better option, and I think I finally found one. Stick around to the end because I'll show you why this cutting board has earned a permanent spot in my kitchen. This cutting board was sent to me by the brand, and I'm really grateful they did because it's introduced me to a new product I probably wouldn't have discovered on my own. One of the reasons I wanted to try this board is because I've been looking for ways to use less plastic in my kitchen. This has been a great solution. I also love that it feels incredibly solid and stays put while I'm chopping. That non-slip design makes a huge difference. This is a 15.4 by 10.4 inch dual-sided cutting board, and I love that each side has its own purpose. The titanium side is designed for preparing raw meat and seafood, while the wheat straw side is great for fruits, vegetables, and a little gentler on your knife edges. There are also several thoughtful features built in. The vegetable side has a deep juice groove that catches liquids before they run onto your counter. And right here, there's even a built-in garlic and ginger grinding area so you can prep fresh ingredients without grabbing another tool. Another thing I noticed right away is how sturdy it feels. The full silicone anti-slip edge keeps it securely in place while you're chopping, and it also helps reduce noise against the countertop. The titanium surface has a textured finish that helps disguise everyday knife marks, and it's incredibly easy to clean. Food rinses off quickly, making cleanup one of the easiest parts of meal prep. If you're wondering whether it's too heavy or difficult to use, I actually think it's a great balance. It feels substantial enough to stay stable, but is still easy to carry, clean, and store. Since I started using this, meal prep has just felt easier. I love having dedicated sides for different foods, and I don't have to worry about the board sliding around while I'm chopping. If you're looking to upgrade one of the most used tools in your kitchen, I definitely think this one is worth considering. If I can make one thing in your life easier today, let it be this. This cutting board solved two of my biggest frustrations. It helped me cut back on plastic in my kitchen while giving me a sturdy, non-slip surface that makes food prep faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. I think you'll be really glad you checked it out.